Ever seen those baby food videos where the food gets spoon-fed like a real baby? They're super cute, super funny, and yeah, they get millions of views. So if you want to make one too, don't skip this video. Step 1. Generate the image. First, head over to the website I linked in the description to grab the prompt we'll be using. Inside that prompt, all you need to do is change the food name you want to create. For example, you can type croissant. Once you've edited it, select the entire prompt and copy it. After that, open Google Gemini. If you're using another image generator, that's totally fine too. From there, choose the Create Images feature, paste the prompt, and hit Send. In just a few seconds, your baby food image will be generated. Look at that, it's super cute, right? Now just download the image because we'll need it for the next step. Step 2, generate the video. Next, go back to the website and copy the ready-to-use video generator prompt. You don't need to change anything here, it's already set. Now open your favorite video generator. I'm using Google Flow. Create a new project, then choose the Frames to Video option. Upload the baby food image you generated earlier, and paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Before generating, make sure everything is set correctly. Use portrait mode and select Veo 3.1 Fast as the model. Once that's done, hit send and wait a few minutes. And just like that, it's finished. Here's the result. Cute, funny, and seriously addictive to watch. Now imagine doing this with different foods: ramen, donuts, burgers. The ideas are endless. If you want to jump on viral trends like this, try it yourself and let the algorithm do the rest. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.